Our company is called AQS Liquid Transfer. We're part of AxFlow. We represent the African continent for the AxFlow Group, international company based in Sweden, and part of Axel Johnson International, mega group, 40,000 people. So really proud to be part of the group and be represented at Propak. What we hope to achieve by attending Propak 2025 is really to showcase some of our pumping technologies, especially for the guys that do liquid filling. So we have a wide range of shear sensitive air operated double diaphragm products, and then we also proudly represent Graco in the South African market, food industry and mining, not that it matters today, but also electrical operated double diaphragm pumps, very good technology, top class. And the star of the show today is InvisiPack, which is a hot glue dispensing package used on production lines in the final wrapping part of the production line. It kind of sells itself, so we're hoping to get some exposure or some opportunities to get InvisiPack into the market and into trials. We've done probably 10 trials in the last year, 10 different companies, and we've gotten go-ahead from them on all 10 of those occasions. So we do a trial, the InvisiPack proves itself, it's super efficient, probably 30 to 45% in glue that you save, no wastage, small batch heating, so and then return on investment of 12 to 18 months, and you're talking big money in big packaging plants. You will do 2, 3, 4, 5 million packages a month, and the glue bill can be anywhere from $1 million to 10 million rand. So return on investment and that kind of money is major in such a short span. Key trends at the show. Look, we've been setting up for a couple of days, so as business people are, we're all quite nosy. So we walk around and we chat, and we've had some interest from OEMs, especially in filling on the pump side. As I said, Graco, especially on the electrical diaphragm pump side, being non-shear, able to run dry, invariable control in terms of volumes and pressures. It's an ideal solution. The trend that I'm picking up is I see there's a generational shift. A couple of years back, it was all kind of older folk that was at the end of the term in terms of production management, plant management, manufacturing, engineering. And now it seems like the younger generation has come through, which is great for us because we kind of, and I'm talking about myself too, we kind of stuck in the past when it comes to tech, and the younger people embrace technology. So they understand that technology brings savings, it brings cost reductions. So that seems to be the trend. How do we help companies prepare for the future? I'd say that the key driver would be sustainable cost saving. I see a trend moving away from spending less money on capex and more on maintenance. So probably also new generation, new thinking, guys that come from industrial engineering backgrounds. They understand that you gotta lay out the proper money up front to get the long-term result, and I know that that's what we give in InvisiPack and in some of our other pumping technologies. In the last 2 years, we've been very proactive in the market. So projects that we've been involved in, most significantly ZZ2 has completely switched over to InvisiPack. We were fortunate enough to inherit that from Graco themselves. They were the kingmakers in that project, massive project, ZZ2 in tomatoes, avos, and all sorts of veg and fruits, and expanding all the time. So that was a good trial. It's been running for 5 years, and it's proven itself. So that got us a foot in the door. We went to Dew Fresh. We did a trial at Dew Fresh, machine in for 6 months. It sold itself. I mean, you can see the saving every month, and if you don't believe it, you're going to see it again next month and the month after and the month after, until you have to have this piece of technology. So that's why I say it sold itself. And Visipack completely sold itself. So Dew Fresh, 8 machines, 2 already bought, 6 on order. Rhodes, we had a trial in the Western Cape, also 3-4 months. They said had enough. We can see the results. So there's 6 machines on the card there, and then Halewood is we on trial now, looking very positive. They don't want to give our trial machine back, so they're purchasing it, and then we're expecting probably 10-20 orders from them in the next month or 2, and we've already got confirmation that they're going to completely switch over, because if you have one section where you're saving 10,000 a month, but you have 100 sections, I mean, the maths is really easy. So I'm very happy to be on the supplier side of this type of technology, because it's exciting. You know, it's going to take over in time. So if you don't know about it, contact us. We definitely set you up with a trial and be there to back it up. Service teams nationally, they travel into Africa as well. So we went into this thinking ahead. So great cooperation between us and Graco, as I said.